guys, it's Ben from Saguaro Farm. Today I'm going to review this Woodland Mills WC68 Woodchipper that I use with my tractor. So let's get started. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, I trimmed up a bunch of these trees and they've been sitting here ever since, just drying out a little bit. The manufacturer recommends that you dry out the wood just a little bit before you put it through the chipper. That way it doesn't gum up the flywheel on the inside there. So we've done that, and now I'm going to chip all this behind me. So I wanted to show you kind of how to use this thing and some of the features that this thing supports. So I'm using this on my John Deere 3005. It's got a 3-point hitch to move it around, so you can lift up your hitch, move it, and then set the hitch down. It's PTO driven as well. It's ready for a 540 RPM PTO. The wood chipper itself features a 360-degree rotating discharge chute. You simply pull down on this lever, rotate it any direction you want it. And also, one of the unique things on this is it has a self-sustained hydraulic infeed system. So a hydraulic pulley pulls in the branches into the flywheel, makes it so much easier. You don't have to actually strain your back or your muscles chipping. The hydraulics will do it for you. So let me show you how this thing works now. First, we're going to start the tractor, rev it up to the 540 PTO setting. Usually it'll be a yellow band on your RPM. For this tractor, it's about 2700 RPM. So, and then I'll show you what the wood chipper does. So first, we're going to start up the tractor. We're gonna engage the PTO. And then we're gonna rev it up to 2500. Now this wood chipper is spinning. You can see some of the pile I just did down here. But the coolest part about this is this hydraulic infeed system. So you can see it spinning in there, and it's controlled with this red control arm here. So when it's all the way back, it spins forward, so it sucks branches in. When it's in the middle, it's neutral, and then when it's forward, the roll arm goes backwards to feed out the branches. So let me show you how that works. After extensive research on wood chippers, I decided on this WC68 by Woodland Mills, almost purely because of this hydraulic infeed system. What's nice about this system is the tractor does not need any external hydraulics. It's all self-contained within the wood chipper itself. You add about 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid on the setup, and then everything after that is fully contained within the wood chipper. You can see how easily that hydraulic infeed pulls in these desert branches here. And I've chipped all varieties of wood here that we get natively here, such as mesquite branches, palo verde branches, creosote branches, even some cactus and cactus skeletons have gone through there. With every branch, this pile grows, and it chips so much faster than our old chipper. It saves so much time. I highly recommend this Woodland Mills WC68 wood chipper for your backyard homestead or ranch. Well guys, we just finished. As you can see, we got a lot of work done in not a lot of time. All that took about an hour and a half. And normally with the old wood chipper that we had, which was the Predator Harbor Freight wood chipper, that probably would have taken 6 to 8 hours. So it speeds it up a lot. You can get a lot more work done and make that those precious wood chips. So thanks so much for watching our wood chipper review, our WC68 from Woodland Mills. I like it. I'm happy so far. Thanks so much for watching Saguaro Farm. We'll see you guys next time. See ya.